Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has intrigued millions: money habits of the rich. Ever wondered what sets the wealthy apart from the rest of us when it comes to managing their finances and achieving prosperity? Imagine this. What if you could uncover the tried and tested techniques used by the affluent to grow their wealth and create a life of abundance? How do the rich maintain financial stability even in the face of economic turbulence? And most importantly, how can you adopt these habits to transform your own financial journey? Get ready to unlock the mysteries behind financial success as we explore the mindsets and practices that have allowed the wealthy to build their empires and achieve enduring prosperity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, our channel is here to provide you with the insights and wisdom that will propel you towards a more secure and prosperous future. Success begins with a curious mind and a willingness to learn. In this video, we will explore the 7 key money habits of the rich that have propelled them to financial success and wealth building. Let's get started. Number 1. Focus on long-term picture. A defining characteristic of the rich is their ability to think strategically and plan for the long term. They start by creating a clear vision of where they want to be within a specific period and then design a roadmap to achieve those goals. By keeping the end goal in mind, they can cut out distractions and focus on the essential tasks that move them closer to their objective of becoming wealthy. Whether it's a 5-year plan, a 10-year plan, or even longer, the rich use a well-crafted financial plan to hold themselves accountable and find inspiration to persevere when faced with setbacks. Moreover, they break down their long-term goals into smaller, more manageable steps, creating a timeline and deadline for each step, which keeps them on track towards their main objectives. The rich understand that achieving long-term success requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Number 2. Always pay yourself first. Wealthy individuals prioritize saving a portion of their income before allocating it to other expenses. This practice is often referred to as paying yourself first. By doing so, they ensure that wealth creation takes precedence over immediate spending. Following the wisdom of renowned investor Warren Buffett, the rich understand that they should not save what is left after spending, but rather spend what is left after saving. This approach enables them to build their wealth through a process called compounding, where their savings and investments grow over time. This habit, recommended by personal finance expert Dave Ramsey, plays a crucial role in achieving financial success and building wealth. Number 3. Personal growth. The rich place great importance on self-improvement and continuous learning. They invest their time and effort in educating themselves through various means, such as attending college courses, reading books, listening to podcasts, or attending seminars and webinars. By continuously enhancing their skills, knowledge, and mindset, they become better at what they do, which in turn increases their value and earning potential. As the saying goes, you have to learn before you can earn. By buying books on business and investing or hiring coaches and consultants to fill knowledge gaps, the rich are always on the path of learning and growth. They also prioritize networking, building relationships with like-minded individuals that often lead to business opportunities and career growth. Number 4. Don't spend more than you make. Living below their means is a fundamental financial principle embraced by the wealthy. They understand that one of the fastest ways to achieve their goal of becoming wealthy is to avoid excessive spending. Instead, they choose delayed gratification, which allows them to allocate more money towards savings and investments early on. By doing so, they expedite the growth of their wealth and create a solid financial foundation. Renowned investor Warren Buffett is an epitome of this habit, having lived in the same house he bought back in 1958. His philosophy highlights the importance of resisting unnecessary purchases that hinder long-term financial stability. Number 5. Save and invest automatically. The rich have mastered the art of automating their saving and investing goals. They set up automatic withdrawals to fund their investment and savings accounts consistently each month. This proactive approach helps them avoid the temptation of diverting funds to non-essential expenses, ensuring they stay on the track with their long-term financial objectives. The rich understand that saving and investing for the future outweigh immediate gratification. As Albert Einstein famously stated, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. By prioritizing education on various investment options and working with professionals to build investment portfolios that align with their financial goals, the wealthy manage risks and avoid impulsive investment decisions. Moreover, they focus on investments that generate passive income, such as rental properties and dividend-paying stocks, ensuring their money works for them. Number 6. Establish multiple revenue streams. Diversifying income streams is a key strategy employed by the rich. Rather than relying solely on one income source, they create multiple streams through various means, such as businesses, investments, part-time jobs, or side hustles. By doing so, they establish a stable and reliable financial future, reducing the risk associated with dependence on a single source. Many wealthy individuals operate businesses that offer products or services in demand, invest in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, or take up side hustles to generate additional income. This diversity ensures financial security and maximizes earning potential, providing flexibility and stability even if one income stream falters. Number 7. Strategically utilize debt. Contrary to common misconceptions, the rich view debt as a tool for growth and well-being. They do not use debt to fuel excessive consumption, but rather leverage it to invest strategically. Real estate is one of the most popular avenues for the rich to use debt as leverage. By borrowing money to invest in properties that generate rental income, appreciate in value, and provide tax benefits, they maximize their returns and generate more income than they could with just their own capital. Bonus tip: giving back to society. A notable trait of the rich is their commitment to giving back to society. They understand the importance of making a positive impact and creating a legacy beyond financial success. Many wealthy individuals establish charitable organizations and contribute both their time and money to causes they care deeply about. By volunteering, donating, and engaging in philanthropic endeavors, they actively contribute to improving their communities and the world at large. Conclusion: the 7 money habits of the rich, combined with a bonus tip of giving back, serve as a blueprint for achieving financial success and building lasting wealth. By adopting these habits, anyone can improve their financial situation and work towards long-term prosperity. The rich understand that it takes dedication, discipline, and consistent effort to create wealth. From focusing on long-term goals and paying themselves first, to investing in self-improvement and creating multiple streams of income, these habits pave the way for financial stability and freedom. As we embrace these habits, we align ourselves with the mindset and actions of the wealthy, setting ourselves on the path towards financial empowerment. Remember, financial success is not just about the accumulation of wealth, but also about leveraging it to make a positive impact on our lives and the lives of others. By adopting these money habits of the rich, we can shape a future of prosperity and abundance for ourselves and those around us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode that could change your financial perspective. Thanks for watching.